Stencils are placed on the surface where the image is to be transferred. On this first stencil, which we refer to as a transparent stencil, we go across the letters a couple times to reveal the image on the surface. A quick spray down and you're all set. This next stencil, which we refer to as a box stencil, is accomplished the same way, except this time we actually box the image in. We go across the stencil a couple of times with the letters, and then we actually draw the wand around the stencil and create a boxed in image. This is beneficial if you're actually going to be cleaning the area that surrounds the stencil. On this last stencil, PowerWashStencils.com, which is also a transparent image, we went over it a couple extra times to make the image really jump out. As you will see, it definitely does. Feel free to play around and experiment with your own ideas.